Let's do salad. Bangers.
Bangers!
The bangers aren't over there, the bangers are over there. Hang on a second. Who likes eating salad?
Not me!
It's a UBU dad hack for getting the kids to eat their dinner on a weeknight. Just keep it simple. You got bangers, mash, and bangers. As for salad, simple does not have to be boring. Give it some colour, texture and taste. It does help if there's a little bit of stuff in there that they like. Don't make them eat salad, make them want to eat it.
The halloumi.
Give me pass me this. Pass me this, please.
As far as filling them up, bangers and mash do a pretty good job. And the salad, well, they'll be eating more of that week by week.
Is this the last one?
Last one, plate's empty. Of course, you might find that bribery works pretty well too.